Today we are at St. Louis International Airport, and one of the best parts about this entire airport is they have a playport. You just kind of play and hang out. It's a kind of a cool kid area. So they have lots of cool kid stuff, like a little train. You can actually get on the train. I can actually drive the train. Look at this. I can drive this train with all these cool buttons. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, a little light up there. Kind of cool. I can actually get on a baggage cart. So you can check this out. And then they have this little terminal here where I can like do this. Watch this with my water bottle. I'm like, ugh. I can do this. I can do, goodbye water bottle. Oh. Look at this. I'm putting the baggage into the fake airplane. It's a big airplane. I can climb through the actual engine area, and then I can go up into the cockpit. This is the airplane here. Thank you for flying. Why are you not here today? And here's the cockpit, all the controls. So I'm in my airplane today and lift off. Check those settings there, check that. Yes, good altitude. Gotta steer the steering wheel here. Now we're talking. Anyways, let's leave the airplane. It's gonna be on autopilot mode. Hopefully nobody's there. And then they have this little baggage scan area here. Doom, 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 doom. Do you think my water bottle is gonna make it? Beep, 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 beep. Oh, there it is. Then also they have a control tower with a little slide here, which is really cool. And you can actually climb up here and check out control tower, air traffic control, and you kind of look over the entire airport and you get to see all the cool stuff happening. All the airplanes leaving, the little cart guys going around. It's kind of cool. And then they make a game out of it. I don't know how that works, but there's a game there.